Important deadlines for tax year 2025. Don't forget to add to your calendar.
As an individual, your personal tax filing and payment deadline, T1, is Thursday, April 30, 2026. Now, for an unincorporated self-employed individual, please note your personal tax filing, T1 and the T2125, and GST filing is due Monday, June 15, 2026. But the payment remains due Thursday, April 30th. Yes, as always, the government wants to be paid first. Now, if you are the shareholder of a corporation, there are some extra responsibilities to keep on your radar. This includes T2 corporate tax return, whereby filing is due 6 months after your year end, while the payment is typically due 3 months after the year end. So, for a December 31st year end, this will be a filing deadline of June 30th, 2026, while tax payment is due March 31st. Don't forget, GST, if applicable, filing and payment is due 3 months after your year end. I know, a lot of deadlines.
Remember when we emphasized our government always wants to get paid first? Double-check you are caught up with, as applicable, personal installment deadlines, corporate installment deadlines, GST, sales tax, installment deadline. They are all different. As CRA's prescribed rates remain ultra-high, it is almost never a good idea to be tardy with these prepayments. Gone are the days of Q2 2022. Unclear what this means? Reach out for clarification if needed. Other important deadlines to monitor. Sigh, I know.
PST filing and payment is typically due 30 days after the reporting period. Double-check your filing frequency and respective deadlines to maximize the cashback commission to be received. T4 and T5 filing deadlines will be Monday, March 2nd, 2026, this year. WCB, while this is often forgotten during tax season, their auditors remain on the hunt. Ensure you are registered and capture all salaries and dividends if applicable. The deadline is typically February or March. Double-check your annual report. T3 Trust income tax filing deadline will be Tuesday, March 31st, 2026. As for the Bear Trusts debacle, the CRA has extended its administrative relief position. In other words, Bear Trusts will not need to file for tax year 2025 unless specifically requested by CRA. Please consult your lawyer if you think you may have unintentionally entered into a Bear Trust arrangement, i.e., legal vias beneficial ownership structures. UHT. You may already know how I feel about this one. With the relate 2025 federal budget announced in November 2025, the government stated its intention to eliminate the underused housing tax. However, Parliament has not yet approved this change. CRA's current choice of words are along the lines: if Parliament approves, affected owners will not be required to file for the 2025 tax year. So in other words, likely NAA for 2025, but stay tuned for the official word. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will dive into some important numbers for 2026. Thanks for watching!